Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out the Bobovr S3 Pro and how you can remove these top pads here. Now for some of you, if you're like me, no matter how you kind of adjust everything else, these might just not be working out for you, and that's totally okay. I've seen a ton of threads on Reddit about it. So I wanted to show you quickly here how you can actually remove these, because they are adjustable. You can push them in and pull them up. But if you want to get rid of them, you're going to need something flathead screwdriver. I've got this little tool here. You're going to want to insert it in the back here. And then what that is going to do, that's going to release the pin that holds it in place. And then you can pull it up and do that. We'll do the same thing on this side here. Pushing this in the back, it releases the pin and it comes right up just like that. So that's how you can release those. You can check out my full review of this head strap on my channel. I will link that for you as well. Thanks for watching this, and we'll see you next time here on True North VR.